In his essay, God in the Dock, Lewis posits that the main difference between the ancients and the moderns is that the ancients, Christians, Jews, pagans, all believed that there was something wrong with them, and they were in the dock or on trial. God was the judge. We moderns, Lewis says, put God in the dock. He has to make his case as to why we should believe in him. We might agree with this case and believe, but the roles are reversed. One challenge faced by the modern world for the Christian, for Lewis, for morally serious people, is that many deny that morality has any objective basis at all. Though that doesn't mean that they are relativist or mild-mannered about their own moral claims, as we see in our civil or uncivil discourse today, far from it. But morality on various modern accounts is merely a social construct that exists to serve the interests of its creators. That idea, Lewis argued, was the disease that will certainly end our species and, in my view, damn our souls if it is not crushed. Lewis did not so much argue to the conclusion that the natural law exists. That's a tricky proposition for reasons we'll get to shortly. But he is trying to persuade his audience and us that we already believe in objective morality. Lewis also didn't just defend natural law, he played offense. He attacked the alternatives, and nowhere more powerfully than in the 3 lectures that became his book, The Abolition of Man.